since this is New Year of 2020, I actually really want to up my game in vlogging. And of course this year we're gonna see amazing improvement in camera. Camera will be the key in mobile phone photography and videography. Of course I'm using Samsung S10 Plus, which I think is probably one of the best cameras out there, but most of the flagship store mobile phones will have amazing video quality. This vlog I'll only be using S10 Plus stuck on Zhiyun Crate M2, which you can actually use with action camera as well as small light mirrorless camera. But of course you have to be a little bit mindful if you're using the mobile phone for vlogging, because for example this kind of design, it doesn't allow for the microphone to be inserted. And I also realized that there might be a little bit of an issue with future phones because there's no like headphone jack, which means how are you going to insert the microphone? I'll answer that throughout the year. So don't forget to use the slow motion, which is built in the camera app. Because you're using the gimbal, it's smooth as butter. Don't forget to move your hand a little bit. A lot of mobile phone specific gimbals now cost $100 or even less. And if you do get something like this Zhiyun Crate M2, you can even use it for your camera and action camera, so it's something for you to consider. And I'll definitely come back with a lot more interesting vlogs, tips, or travel videos in 2020. So please don't forget to stay tuned and like this video, and see you!